An alert tonight for people planning to hit the mountains this week. The Sawtooth Avalanche Center warns of moderate risk of triggering slides. The center says the chances of causing an avalanche increase if you climb through parts of the mountain that are not facing the afternoon sun. And if you want to stay up to date on current conditions, you can check out sawtoothavalanche.com. There, you'll find this interactive map. It's color-coded. You can see the green is low, yellow moderate, level 5, extreme is black. And if you click into any of those colors on that map, this one, for example, that yellow color, moderate, it'll tell you when that avalanche warning was issued and when it expires. That, again, is for the mountains in the Sawtooth area. We're looking at Payette as well. You can see here on this map, the blue, just general info, no avalanche warnings issued right there, right now.